Hello everyone, in this video we are going to go through CSS colors. Colors are specified using predefined color names or RGBA, HEX. Let me type it for you. I'm gonna increase the size of my editor and RGB hexadecimal values, HSL values, RGBA values, HSLA values. Alright, now let's get back to your index.html and I'm gonna zoom out my editor. And for this video I'm gonna use Visual Studio Code as my code editor and this index.html. By the way, if you need to learn more about VS Code, you can watch my videos based on VS Code and find the links in the description below. And let me show you what we have in this page right now. Alright, here we have this web page opened, and let me resize both of them to keep them side by side. We don't have anything fancy in it, just a heading. And let's get back to the business. Now you can set the background color for HTML elements. Just go to your head tag and I'm gonna type in here style tag. Let me make it lowercase, style, and within a style I'm gonna type, let's say, h1 curly braces background color, and I'm gonna say, let's say, red. Hit save, and you can set the color of the text with color property, and I'm gonna type in here, let's say, white or snow. Hit save. You can also give a border to your heading with border property, and there are three values for border property. First one is the pixels, let's say 10 pixels. Second one would be the type of the border. I'm gonna set it to the solid. And third one is color, let's say black. Hit save. And CSS colors can also be specified using RGB, hex, HSL, RGBA, HSLA values. And you can check the values. Let me maximize my browser and just right click here and click inspect to open DevTools. And if you need to learn more about Chrome DevTools, you can watch my videos and find the links in the description below. And on this right sidebar, we have got this little square icon. Just click here and you come up with this pop-up window. And here we have got all the colors. You can play with this sliders and set the value as you want. If you need hex value, you can just copy it from here, or you can also click this button and you can check RGBA value, then HSLA value, and again we have got hex values, and just copy these values from here. Let's say if you are if you need RGBA value, these are the values that we have right now, and A is for alpha, which sets the opacity of the color. And I'm gonna copy all of these values, 25, 255, 0, 0, and 1, and I'm gonna set this to, let's say, now let's change it to, yes, to this color. And the RGBA value, let's note it down, 0, 255, 196 and 1. Let me resize my window and I don't see. Yes, it's right here. And if you want to specify colors with their RGBA values, the formula is just type in here RGBA value, and let's copy the values from here. 0, 255, 196. Copy and select all of them, and just paste it right here, and also delete this one. Hit save, and now you have got the background color from RGBA value. And if you want to use HSL values, this one, or hexa values, this hexa is a short of hexadecimal, and this value can be set in the form of hash, RR, GG and BB, where RR for red, GG for green and BB for blue. Now let's go to the Chrome DevTool, and I'm gonna click on this icon to pop up color window, and let's click this button, and yes, here we have got hexa value. Just copy this value from here, and I'm gonna delete this value and paste this value here. It's save, and you're good to go. Same as with HSL values, and this HSL stands for hue, saturation and lightness, and the formula to set HSL values is you just type in HSL parenthesis, and let's come back to your DevTools, click on this icon and click on this down arrow. Here we have got HSLA values, and just copy the values from here and paste it right here. And you can, if you want to set this value, just copy this code or just go back to your index.html. Let's delete this, or let's take some other color. Let's say, yes, this orange tint. Alright, just type anywhere. Okay, and copy these values from here with including HSL, and paste it right here. Hit save, and your source file updates simultaneously. By the way, you can also save your changes within your DevTools, but you will need to add your source folder here to its workspace. And if you need to learn more about this DevTool, you can watch my videos. Let me get rid of it, and we have also got A here as alpha, and that sets the opacity value for the color we have set. So just go back to your browser and right click inspect, come back here, and here we have got HSLA value. Just copy it from here, and I'm gonna paste it right here. Let's save. Right now we don't have any opacity setting. Just click here, and I'm gonna make it, let's say, 38% opaque. Just copy all of these values and paste it right here. I mean, that's the shortcut to set the color values. And that ends the video here. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.